Hi! Hello Spring says my apron. I don't know if you can read that, but outside it's raining cats and dogs, and that's why I said I have to bring some spring into my kitchen, and that's why I'm baking today a very fluffy, juicy and fruity Schmandkuchen. First things first, we start with the ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 4 medium eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar or extract, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and now this is very German because we put 1 cup of Fanta into our Schmandkuchen. You can use Sunkist or Mirinda or anything that is a lemonade, yellow and sparkling. Then we have 1 can of peaches. You can use those of Del Monte, for instance. And now what goes on top in Germany are 2 cups of Schmand. You don't have Schmand, so I did some research for you. You can use Vermont's creme fraiche. Then we have 2 cups of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar or extract, and 2 tablespoons of cream stiffener. Now we start by putting into the bowl the dry ingredients first. And we add a pinch of salt. The whisk might help. Mix the dry ingredients just real quick. All right, and in goes the rest. Okay, beat for around about 3 minutes on high speed, and then your dough should be like this. Make sure you scrape down the sides so you have no clumps. This kind of baking pan we'll be baking in. You can find the measurements also of the ingredients and for the pan down in my bio. While this cake is baking, we will prepare the topping. Cake is in the oven. We now get to whip our whipping cream until it's stiff. And while it is whipping, you'll add the vanilla and the stiffener. Now, you take your 2 cups of Vermont creme fraiche. I'll take my Schmand, put it into a bigger bowl. And now just make sure you first swirl around a little bit. And then we're gonna open the peaches. And you don't wanna put the juice inside, maybe just a tablespoon. But we'll cut the peaches in little pieces, and then it goes into the creme fraiche, and then we add the whipping cream. Now let's open our peaches. I take 5 halves, that'll make a total of 2½ peaches, because 5 is my favorite number. And now just cut little pieces. The size is perfect. Take your creme fraiche and the peaches and just mix the peaches with the creme fraiche. And now start adding the whipping cream. Don't take everything at a time, just step by step. Step by step, ooh baby. This recipe, by the way, shout out to my mommy, is my mom's. And of course she makes the best. I cannot even try to compete with her Schmandkuchen. Love you, Mom. Okay, while we are waiting for our cake, put this into the fridge. Make sure you cover it so it doesn't smell of the meatloaf you're keeping in your fridge. And then you're going to spread it onto the cake after the cake cooled off. Here is our cake. Now, while it's still hot, take a brush and some of the juice that comes with the peaches, it's basically like a syrup, and just brush a little over it. That way, I mean, the cake is juicy already, believe me. It's very fluffy, but that's going to make it even more juicy. And now take it outside or put it into your fridge to let it cool completely. My cake has cooled off. We now take our cream with the peaches. You can also take fruit cocktail or pineapple or I don't know what, whatever you like. And we're just gonna put it on top a little. You can leave the sides without it. It just goes on top. And then after that, we have some cinnamon and sugar here that we're gonna sprinkle on there. Okay, we start now with the cinnamon and the sugar, and I really hope you liked this video. Maybe the sun came out. The sun came out. I baked the sun out because of the Schmandkuchen. The sun was like, yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna make it stop raining and come out. Oh, nice. Okay, well, welcome spring. So, see you in 2 weeks. If you bake this cake at home, take a picture of it, post it onto my Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery. Take care and enjoy this delicious cake.